Hi everyone, welcome back to Techwhiz. In this video I will show you how to download the Zoom app on your laptop or computer. First, open your web browser. Now in the search bar, type Zoom download and hit enter. Open the first website zoom.us. Click on the download button under Zoom Desktop Client. Once the download is complete, locate the installer file and double-click on it to run the installation. Now click on Done. You've successfully downloaded and installed Zoom on your PC. Now you're ready to join meetings and connect with others. If you also want to know how to create a Zoom account, click on this video.